Futures trading is risky and can result in substantial financial loss.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar, and it is Friday, and Friday is going to be vicious, and I'll tell you right now, volatility alert for tomorrow. It is going to be sick. I guarantee you it's going to be a bumpy ride tomorrow. Usually defined as trend following days on a Friday. Which way is the trend? Are we still bullish or have we turned bearish? I don't know yet. I have some charts to show you why there's been some confluence, why I'm going to be bullish tomorrow, why Omni's bullish tomorrow, and barring an insane unemployment report, we should rock and roll to the upside. Come take a look at these charts now, and then I'll come back to you with some strategies on how to capitalize on that. Okay, traders, the S&P daily September bar. You know me, I've mentioned this in many videos now. 200-day moving average. That 200-day moving average, you need 3 settlements below the 200-day moving average in order to turn bearish. We had 1 settlement below. We had the next day settle below. And then Thursday, we rallied out and settled above. Indicators are bullish. The market itself has a nice formation here. We also took out this resistance line. That looks pretty good. There's a resistance line right here, even though I got a red arrow. Don't watch that arrow because we're going up tomorrow. We took that line out. We're a little higher than that right now, and I expect that this thing's going to try to rally out of the hole. Barring a terrible unemployment report, I think the stage is set. You have some bullishness in the indicators. That's just one out of many. Omni's bullish, and we are usually defined Monday as Fridays and Mondays as trend following days. If you go back and look at this market, we've been in a bull for quite some time. Is this just a setback, and is Friday going to be trend following? That remains to be seen. There are some reasons why you should be bullish here. Let's see what we get tomorrow. Here's another view of the S&P chart. This is the mini S&P right here. I blew it up a little more so you can see what happened. We've taken out the resistance line, and it looks like it may want to rally. I think this looks good. Keep your eyes on this. This is the same as the S&P chart with that 200-day mover. The only difference is it's the Emini chart. I took the moving average off and I blew up the lines a little bit. This is that same chart, same formation, and it seems that it's going to want to ride this rally just a little bit for the next couple of days. Let's see what we get out of it. Euro currency chart. Euro currency looks good here. You have a nice turnaround in your stochastics. The market's been bullish for quite some time. You're starting to follow this trend line moving up, and you broke out of the resistance line right here. Let me make those a little darker for you just so that you can see what I'm looking at. We are now about here in the evening session, which is above those lines and looking to move higher. I like the euro currency. I like the currencies. I think currency's up, dollar down. That would be British pound and euro currency, especially against the US dollar. And you have this. I think it looks pretty good. So put your orders in, and now I'm going to tell you about a few strategies on how to try to capitalize on that. Okay, traders, so you've seen the charts. A little bit of a reasoning why we should probably push higher. Euro currency and the S&P. NASDAQ looks the same. We also have another green on there. We got 4 greenies for tomorrow, baby. Soybeans, euro currency, NASDAQ, S&P. Let's see what's going to happen there. S&P to ESU7 for the electronics, to SPU7 for the large. Omni support, high to mid 1470s. Gets into the mid 1470s. Our Omniac's is going to be taking on some longs right there. Omni's profit objective is the mid 1500s. If we get into the above 15, somewhere between 15 and 1520, let's say, we're going to be kicking out our longs if we get that lucky. Everybody cross your fingers on this one. Let me say, be very nimble with your upside profits tomorrow. Anything could happen here. We don't know if we're really turning bullish again. Omni's bullish, indicators are bullish, but you've seen those charts. Anything could happen on a Friday in this environment, so be careful and keep your stops in. So the mid-15s, we're going to get out somewhere when it crosses above that 1500 mark, or be out MOC. If we get lucky and we can buy them in the 1470s and we start to rally up, 1497 and then 1503 offers some resistance. On my Gann wheel, I took a look at it and I have resistance, Gann resistance, in the S&P at 1514 tomorrow. Imagine if we get that high. There is some gain resistance up there, so keep that number in mind. Next up, NASDAQ. Let's go NASDAQ, the ENU7 and the NQU7. Omni support, the mid to high 1970s. The 70s here we're buying. Well, we're buying the 1970s in the NASDAQ. Omni's profit objective on that trade is somewhere in the 2020s. For you gold members, go to the site and take a look at my exact buy and my exact stop and my exact sell levels. This way you guys know where to place your orders. Or be at MOC on that. Again, we're buying them in the 1970s, high to mid 1970s. Profit objective is the mid 20s, 2020, somewhere up there. Or be at MOC. Watch these two guys. I think they're going to look good tomorrow, so keep your eyes on them. Euro currency, another bullish green Omni here. Omni support is the high to mid 136.90s. We get under 137, we're going to look to take on some of those Euro currencies. Omni's profit objective is the mid 137.70s or be out by the close. Don't forget about the volatility alert tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen. You're going to need to know. You need to know that there's going to be wide volatility, large, extremely wide volatility, and your stops are going to have to be larger than usual tomorrow. Soybeans, another green Omni. Let's go, Omni. Let's go. The ZSX7 electronics. Omni support the mid 850s. Somewhere in the mid 850s, us Omniacs are going to get long down here. Omni's profit objective is the mid 870s or be out MOC. Some of you guys in my premium room are already long the soybeans. Stay with the trade. Put your stops where they belong. You know where those stops go. Take a look at your gold Omnis and sit tight and keep your emotions out of this, and let's see what the markets are going to give us. The wheat looks bullish here as well, but the beans are the trade that we're in right now, so let's stick with that one. Hey, a shout out to my UK Omniacs. I got a pair of UK Omniacs out there. Sid and Elias, thank you so much for participating in our Omni Trading Academy. A shout out to you guys. Thank you so much. Cheers to you guys. I hope you're enjoying the show. All right. For you guys that have been in my premium room all week, have we rock and rolled this week or what? Tell me it's not exciting. I mean, it's exciting for me. I'm sure it's exciting for you. Anybody who would like to sign up and be part of this for next week, kindly come to my site, www.livewithoscar.com, and fill out an application to be in the premium trading room. That room has cameras fixed on me with a microphone, and my thoughts, as my thoughts come out, I speak them into the microphone. As the trades come out of Omni, I tell the guys in the room, the traders in the room, they jump right in and jump right out with me. Plus, I share my desktop and do loads of analysis, and we learn every day in our Omni Trading Academy, and we teach and learn at the same time. And this crew is getting nice and tight, and you guys in that room, very, very brave. MJ, very nice today. Barcode, very, very nice recovery. You guys did fantastic. I'm glad to see that you got up after having a tough day. Very good. Stick with it. At the site, you can find many things. You can become a gold member and get the Omnis in detail where it says buy at this exact level, place your stop at this exact level, take profits at this exact level, and then as we're doing flash updates throughout the day, and you guys know usually there are several of them, we email them out to you immediately as they come out in real time. The silver members get the Omnis that look like the ones on the board, and they get a 30-minute delayed flash update. It's really worth it for you guys to come down and at least take a gold membership so that you can be on top of these Omnis and be on top of the markets in real time as it happens. If you get a chance, give me a call day or night, 718-351-2266. Give us a call. The boys are here to answer the phones. I'm here. There's always somebody around. We're always doing some kind of work, so come on down. I think as of today, we're at about, 178 videos? 178 videos are on YouTube for you to see. Simply go to www.youtube.com/futures analysts. All the videos are logged right there. You can hit the subscribe button so that you can now be a subscriber to us, and you can get the video, at least an alert that the video comes out every time you go to YouTube. If you'd like to shoot out some emails for us to mull over and see what you think, if you want to send some feedback, if you just want to talk to me but you don't want to get me on the phone, shoot me out emails at oscar@futuresanalysts.com. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, do your homework. Stay on top of these markets. Keep your powder dry. Whatever you do, don't get nervous. If you get nervous, call me. Come to one of my trading rooms. Just keep yourself calm. Get in touch with us if you need us to calm you down. These markets are extremely intimidating. I am so aware of that. It took me years coming up the hard way to learn how to withdraw my emotions out of the trading. But let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, ask anybody who hangs around me at my site, in my trading academy, or in my premium rooms. I have no emotion when I trade. For better or worse, I just trade the trade for what it is. It's all math to me. It's got nothing to do with money until the end of the day. So you need to keep that mentality yourself if you can. Is there anything I should mention? Because we got a Friday roundup coming, so I don't know if there's all that much I should get in on this one tonight.
No, I think you'll probably cover everything else you need to tomorrow night.
You good?
Yes, I'm good.
How about you back there? Am I good?
Yeah.
All good. All right. So that's about all I'm going to do in this video. Don't forget to say this to yourself every day before you place your trades, after you place your trades, and especially when markets are coming after your stops and you don't know what's going to happen next. And you know what that is? Stops are in, emotions are out.
Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I am a 24-year seasoned trader on and off the floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years. Good luck trading.